shape safety and accuracy, intelligent design, and precise modeling. Starting from a drawing, we define the shape of safety with precise design. Precise material preparation, ensuring biological safety and material stability from source. We provide a full set of solutions from design to finished products, scientific material placement, and efficient demolding. Our products have passed VOC, FDA, LFGB, and other international standards. Full-dimensional quality inspection verified by data. We promise you a food-grade precision mold expert. Secondary vulcanization meets the strict food contact regulations requirements. Appearance inspection under standard light sources. The inspector conducts a 3600-degree visual inspection, ensuring no flaws and pollution from the production line to the customer's hand. We protect not only the product, but also your trust in safety. Precision scale. Manufactured by Better.